My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site securitycheckguide.com. This is a scary pop-up attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. securitycheckguide.com tries to mislead you and to make you actually download and install some potentially unwanted applications. The pop-up claims to be related to the well-known security program. However, it is not related to any decent program. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to mislead you and to make you just download some potentially unwanted software through these pop-ups. So, speaking about this website, securitycheckguide.com, this website is totally faulty and deceptive. Don't trust it. Don't tolerate it either. To remove any malware and to remove these nasty and annoying pop-ups, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and start investigating your device with its help in order to detect and delete such hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.